Hello, Accelerated Math 6-7 students. We are in Module 3, starting Video 10. And Module 3, Video 10 is called Symmetry in the Coordinate Plane. And we find that on page 62 of my comp book. So I'm turning there. And here is page 62 in my comp book, and it is called Symmetry in the Coordinate Plane. So our goal for today is we're going to use the same information that we learned in our last lesson to work on this next process. Today we will practice plotting ordered pairs and their opposites. Okay? What do you notice about a point and its opposite on the coordinate plane? There's something very, very specific that you'll notice. So the best way to do this is by doing it, by practicing. Okay? So in your notes, what we have here is it says graph the points. And I have some specific colors that I would like you to do it with. And so you need to make sure that you have those colors. You will need red. You will need pink. You will need blue. And you will need light blue. Okay, so make sure that you have those colors available so that we can do this. And we're going to start by plotting the first practice one. And it says that we are supposed to plot point 5, 3 in red. Okay, so I'm going to draw a coordinate plane. Okay, and it says that we are supposed to plot 5, 3 in red. So what that tells me is I need to go 5 to the right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the right, and 3 up. So 1, 2, 3, and so I'm going to put my point in red. Okay. The next one says in red, -5, 3. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the left and up 3. Okay, and plot my point. So then I have those 2 points plotted. Okay, next in pink. So we're going to get our pink pen out. And it says in pink that we want you to plot 2, 7. So that means I go to the right 2 and I go up 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One more up here. So I go to the right 2 and up to 7. So that's where this one sits. And then it says plot point 2, -7 in pink. So I'm going to go to the right 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, and I go over 2, and that's where this point sits. Okay, so hopefully you're being able to see these pictures of what we're doing. Okay, the next one says trade pens again and plot 1, 9 in blue. 1, 9 in blue. So I'm going to get my blue pen. 1, 9. So I'm going to go to the right 1 and up 9. So that one would sit about here. Okay, and the second one said -1, 9. So I'm going to go over here to the left one and up 9. So I sit about here. Okay, and the last one says in light blue 3, -2. 3, -2. I'm going to go to the right 3, 1, 2, 3, and I'm going to go down 2. So there's 1. And then it says 3, +2. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, and up 2. Okay, so I have them all plotted like it says. And then the next thing that it tells us to do in the notes is it says connect each same colored point with a line and then tell me what you notice. Okay, so we're going to start with the light blue first because that's what I have. It says connect the same color points. So what do we notice about these 2 points? Okay, remember, this one is 3, -2, and this one is 3, +2. So look at your line. When you go from a positive y to a negative y, what is the shape of the line? It is a vertical. Okay, so that's interesting. So now let's go back to the red for a minute. This one was 5, 3, and this one is -5, 3, And look what kind of line gets formed with that one. Interesting. So when the x values are opposite, it's a horizontal line. When the y values are opposite, it's a vertical line. Huh. When the x values are opposite, it's a horizontal line. When the y values are opposite, it's a vertical line. I hope you guys are seeing that. Okay, so let's test it with the pinks again. Okay, so here's the pink dot all the way down to this pink dot. And what did we notice about the coordinates on this one? This one is 2, 7, right? This one was 2, negative 7. So what changed? Not the x's. The x's are the same. Look at your y's. This is a positive 7. This is a negative 7. So the opposite y's give you a vertical line. The opposite x's give you a horizontal line. So far it's working. Okay, let's test the last one and see if it still works. So this one was 1, 9. This one was negative 1, 9. We're supposed to make a line. And the x's are opposites, and it's a horizontal line. Okay, so I need you to write that down at the bottom, right here, where there's room, because it says, connect each same colored point on a line and tell me what you notice. Let's write what we just said. So we learned, or we know, that when x coordinates are opposites, there is a horizontal line, right? When y coordinates are opposites, there is a vertical line. Okay, so that was kind of interesting, wasn't it? Okay, let's go back to our goal for today. Our goal for today is we will practice plotting ordered pairs and their opposites. We did that right here. And then the question is, what do you notice about a point and its opposite on the coordinate plane? You notice that different types of lines are made. Okay, if it's an x-coordinate and its opposite, it's going to be a horizontal line. If it's a y-coordinate that is opposite, then it's going to be a vertical line. Okay, so we'll do some more practice with this in class tomorrow, and I'll see you then. All right, have a good one. Bye.